Hi guys, so today I'm going to do this beautiful glittery golden glossy wedding festival makeup look. So let's get started. So to get a flawless base, I'm going ahead with the foundation that has medium coverage. This is Kiko Serum Foundation and I'm applying it with the help of a dense brush so that I can get maximum coverage out of it. Making sure that it is very well blended across the face and there are no harsh lines. Next, I'm taking a creamy concealer which is a shade lighter than my complexion so that I can get a highlighted brighter under eye area. And I'm going ahead with the creamy concealer because I'm going to set it with the help of a loose powder later on. Going back with my foundation brush and blending the edges. Using Makeup Revolution loose powder in Banana, I'm just setting the under eye concealer nicely. This powder is really good if you want brighter under eye area, and this is not too yellow, so it works perfectly. And it makes sure that your product doesn't move throughout the day or night. Next, I'm setting my face with Kiko baked powder. As you can see, I have hit pan on this one. I really love this powder. And I'm applying it everywhere, even on the areas where I have the banana powder applied, so that I can take away the overly highlighted look of my under eye area. It's time to bring some warmth to the face. I'm applying a matte bronzer on the perimeters of my face and making sure that it is very well blended in my hairline. Bronzing brings back color and dimension. That's why I love to bronze up my face. Next, I'm going ahead with a plum toned beautiful matte blush and blending it really nicely on the apples of my cheeks. This color is really beautiful and it looks really good on my complexion. Now I'm taking a clean brush and blending the blush so that there are no patches. For my eyes, I'm starting with a warm tone brown and just using it as a transition color, applying it almost all over my transition, like the crease area. And then with the help of a pencil brush, I'm taking a medium brown color and applying it on the outer V and little bit in the crease. Next, I'm taking this beautiful shade from Kiko Water eyeshadows, and these are really amazing. This golden color is absolutely beautiful. It works both ways, wet and dry. I'm using it dry here, and as you can see, the color payoff is really good. I'm just packing on the color on my eyelids. Next, I'm taking Kiko Deep Black Kajal and applying it on my lower lash line, as well as I'm tight lining using the same kajal so that I can get the intense color payoff. Next, I'm taking this Kiko Milano Intense Color Long Lasting Eyeliner. This is a beautiful emerald green color and applying it very close to my upper lash line and winging it out a little bit. Next, I'm taking the same black kajal and applying it very close to upper lash line. Filling my brow, because without filling the brows, makeup is never complete. So I'm taking my time, making sure that I don't overdraw my brows and just fill the sparse area and brush the product back. Next, I'm using this CS Essentials eyelashes and these are beautiful. I'm going ahead with Makeup Revolution glitter, and right now I'm applying a little bit of glitter glue to the inner corners of my eyes because I will be placing glitter on the top of it. Now I'm placing glitter on the inner corners as well as on the inner 1/4 of my eyelids. This is a beautiful trick to get the light and the glitter going on without making it too much. Next, I'm applying a brown toned lipstick, and here is the completed makeup look. As you can see, it has all the festivities and celebrations going on. Beautiful glitter eye makeup look with a very muted lips. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.